So Apthcry just had their 5th drop this past Friday, and it couldn't have been at any better time. I've been looking for some fall socks, so let's see what these are all about. So for those of you who don't know what Apthcry is, it's a company started by Seth and a college friend of his. Seth being a pretty prominent sneaker reviewer here on YouTube. And like myself, Seth has a design background, so it only made sense for him to create a product that has to do with sneakers. From what I can tell, Apthcry is doing pretty well. Every single release so far has been sold out, and I was only able to cop these because I sat on the site and refreshed the page until the products went live. So that looks like everything that comes in the package. So let's take a look at one of these and go over some of the details we're noticing. So each sock comes individually wrapped in some cellophane and then wrapped again on the inside on what I believe to be semi-transparent vellum. So I'm going to compliment them on their print quality that they got on this paper, but also compliment them on their logo. I'm pretty sure this is Gotham Bold, which is one of my favorite typefaces. It's the same font we're using here on YouTube for our globe logo. Let's take one of these out and see what our initial impressions are. And whoa, those are really soft. They feel super premium. I literally opened a pair of Supreme Hanes like a second ago, so these feel like leagues better than that. What is it made out of? Looks like 70% cotton, 28% polyester, and 2% spandex. I think that's a fairly standard blend for socks, so I assume it's going to be super stretchy like normal socks. And yeah, they are, and they feel really nice. Maybe it's the material they ended up getting. Maybe it's just a higher quality than I'm used to. So moving on to the design of the sock, they went with a fairly simple one. It looks like they have Apthcry running vertical on the sides here, and it looks like they left enough room for you to wear something like a high top and still have the full logo appear and not have it cut off or anything. That kind of attention to detail I can really appreciate. And towards the toe area, it looks like they have their tagline, High Stakes, stitched across the top. And as for the colors they picked, I really like what they chose. It isn't too wild and it feels super appropriate for fall time. But without much further ado, let's throw these on feet and see what you guys think. So I tried to wear the socks at different heights and with different outfits and shoes to kind of help you guys understand what it might look like on you. But some closing thoughts. These are some really nice socks. They beat my expectations by a pretty long shot, and unfortunately you can't go out and just buy them right now because they are sold out, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can sign up on the Apthcry site for their future releases. And from what I understand, Seth is gonna increase the stock numbers for the next couple of drops, so that's pretty exciting. But either way, most people don't make it this far in the videos that I make, so yeah, if you liked it, leave a like. If you really loved it, subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought about the video, and as always, you're the best. Bye. Nice.